Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm part of the Unrestored Racing team, and this is on our YouTube channel. You are in our garage of toys, and this is our Rallycross and hill climb car that we compete in. We are currently doing a bit of a clean-up, should we say, on it. For over winter, we have fixed some damage in the back section, which over time, because it's been competed for about 10 or 11 years, it's got a bit twisted, so we're just fixing that up, strengthening it all again, and then also just basically doing a bit of a repaint, making sure everything's straight, and yeah, sorting all that out. This is Rachie, so if you hear from us mention names, it is the vehicles. We name all of them, and if you don't, you're a little bit weird. So please name your vehicles because it's fun. So yeah, so this is Rachie. So we will keep you updated with how that goes. As you can see, it has already been started, but we'll obviously try and keep you up to date with all the new bits that go on from here. And then, once she's finished, we will then be moving on to the Delorean. So we have a Delorean that we've had now for probably about 11 years. We have already started a resto on this, so underneath these panels they are just placed is the fiberglass body. There's not an awful lot left. Everything else is on the shelves at the back. So we have, like I say, started, so we will keep you up to date. Once that's finished, we will be moving on to that and keep you up to date with the resto on that, which could be quite interesting. And then, if that's not enough, we do also do a little bit of jet skiing. So this isn't anything competitive, it is just for us playing. We have, as you can see, quite a range of jet skis. We do also have some at home as well, so we've got quite a few, and we just basically play with these over summer, winter, whenever we want, because we just go to a local estuary. And under this black cover here is our Sea-Doo 3D, and that one is basically our rescue craft because it's the best one that floats. This one here is our Kawasaki X2. This one is a full race craft, but we don't race it at the moment anyway. That might change, but we'll see how that goes. But usually we just give it a bit of play around and obviously learn how to actually ride it as well. This one here is a Kawasaki 550. So this is the first ski that we got. Really difficult to ride, but really fun and enjoyable once you do learn how to do it. But it can be quite tiring as well because you're constantly on your legs. This one here is a Superjet, a Yamaha. Inside is not the original engine that you usually find in there. There is a 701, which makes it go really well. We have just done a couple of fixings on this because the Bendix was broken in it. So we have fixed it so it's all running, ready for when we can go out when we feel it's a little bit warmer, because at the moment it's absolutely freezing. And then we have quads. So this one is in a couple of bits, but we're currently fixing the power steering component on it. And then we have another resto, because why don't everybody loves restos, don't they? So this is a Yamaha Banshee. We've had this probably for, I think, 2 or 3 years, something like that. Originally, as soon as we got it, it got stripped down, and then it's just been slowly being built back up. So it was a complete bike. But there was a couple of issues and it hadn't really been looked after before we got it, so we just wanted to check it out, make sure it's all alright. The engine's had a rebuild, so we're happy that that is all new. Everything used on it that we can is proper parts from Yamaha, and obviously there's a couple of bits that are just your aftermarket ones because it works, it's fine. We've had everything powder coated, so everything's protected, but once it is built, I don't think it's that nice. I don't think I'll be putting it on the road, but never say never. We'll see. So this will be rebuilt as well. So we'll keep you up to date with that as well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll be quite quick. And then you might be able to see behind me. There's a little fluffy thing. That is little Poppy Pops, and she doesn't look very interested, but she is our little mascot, aren't you? So she comes with us whenever she can. And keeps us sane and comfortable at the garage, don't you? Yeah. So thank you very much for listening to the video. Please like and follow the page, so then any other updates that we put on and keep you up to date with everything, you'll see it obviously firsthand. So thank you very much for listening, and we will see you soon.